Okay, I don't know if this is like a business card holder or what, because it's got a little pocket up here. Oh, look, it's actually needs glued back there. But it's got these little edges. Ooh, it says something in the corner here. Genuine leather. Oh, cool. It is a genuine leather. So check this out. It actually, you shut it, and it's got a little, like, you can carry it. It's hinged, and it actually works. Are you ready to see how it works? So you push this way, and the little latch pops up. Ready? Oh, isn't it cute? It's very cute. I'm gonna say it's definitely vintage. I think it says made in the USA inside there. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. Genuine leather. Let's see if we can tip it a little. Made in, oh, nope, made in China. Womp womp. So I don't know if it's vintage or not. It could be. It still could be. It still could be vintage, just maybe not as old as I thought. But super cute. Uh-oh. Latch. There we go. I just wasn't pushing it. Oh, whoop. Really? There we go. There it is. Thanks for watching.